Affordable makeup tutorial today. Yeah, I think I have to go back to my basic roots of affordable makeup because that is how I started my YouTube channel. And it's not that I don't like high-end makeup, I love high-end makeup, but I've realized that some people cannot afford the high-end stuff, and my channel is about you using what you have to look glamorous and you don't have to break the bank. That is why I started my makeup journey in the first place. So, and today I'm going to be featuring some new products, and they're from Shein. If you know Shein, Shein sells clothes, and you understand, affordable clothes for women, babies, and yeah. But they've added some makeup line to their website, so they sent me some makeup, and to be frank and sincere, if you hear the price of this makeup, you will be like, are you for real? The palette is for £4. £4. Let me show you the palette for £4. It's £4. How cute is this for £4? I'm like, this is £4, and you can still use my code 15% off. My dear, you don't need to go and break the bank. You cannot come and die. They also sent me a brush set, which come in this cute bag. Very cute. And this is why I love affordable brushes. They have time to write the things that you need to do on the brush. If they can take hard time to write what you need the brush for on the brush, some high-end company needs to start doing better. Because even though you don't use this for this particular reason, but as a beginner in makeup, you know what you need a brush for. This is soft crease, and this is actually a crease brush, and these brushes are very soft. It's 14 sets of these brushes. How good is this? This is a lip set. This mini travel size lip set. I picked eyeliner. This is like a double, like dual, like the way Huda Beauty is now. Huda Beauty has the eyeliner part, like the waterline part. Then they have a liquid liner part, like this, in the Huda Beauty one. So on this Shein Sites one, they have the eyeliner, like the gel for the waterline, I think. I'm just saying. Then they have a pencil liner for wing. This is affordable. I'm going to put this in the test. Let's not just talk about them looking cute. Hope they can do the job. Hope the quality is okay, because you understand. Let me drink something. I'm going to keep everything affordable, even though everything is not of Shein. This is affordable makeup. It's the MUA Pro Base Mattifying Flawless Primer. I'll just apply this all over my face. For foundation, I'm going to use the MUA Pro Base foundation. I know you might see a lot of MUA in this makeup tutorial. MUA is cheap. I'm in the shade 185. My favorite Reed Technique brush. I think I need more coverage. I thought if I can as well apply more of the foundation, but I'm just going to use, I like using this to dab anywhere I see spots. I use the concealer from Sleek. This is Sleek concealer in the shade, what shade is this? In the shade Caramel. This I can use as a foundation because it's my perfect shade. So I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution concealer. This brush by Technique.
Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
So for setting my under eyes to keep this locked down, I'm going to use the W7 Banana Dream Powder. Push it, push it, push it, push it. Let me just dust this off. I'll leave the one underneath the eyes. To contour my face, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 365. This is the best packaging ever. Plastic like this. So you see, you can use foundation to contour your face. And this brush I'm using is by Technique. Eyebrow pencil, affordable one that I like. This is by Adele brow pencil.
Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I
Shein brushes for the eyes. So they come in the pack like this. My brow look huge. I need to do something about the brow. This is the eyeshadow palette, and it's £4. It's under £5. This eyeshadow palette.
Worst way. Don't let me sleep. Never say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave. Baby.
This shade. So I'm taking a crease brush. I'm taking another shade. Just going to use that to define the crease. Maybe these brushes are everything though. They're very soft. So I'm just going to cut the crease. This one. So I have to really like rub the brush through to get the pigment out.
Talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then I'm.
And the quality is nice.
You know I never will. No.
For the next affordable product, I'm going to use the Shein eyeliner. Like I said, it's two-sided. You have the eyeliner, waterline, then you have the liquid liner right here for the wing line.
Take you like a
I think you need to layer it to actually see the color. So that is it. I'm going to take the liner side.
me in the worst way. Don't let me.
So I'm going to blend the under eyes. I think I made a mistake somewhere here.
I'll leave. Baby, but you know I never.
I don't know what else to do to the eyes. I think I'm good. In Fit Me powder by Maybelline. and I'm using the shade 350 in this powder. I like to dust my yellow powder off with my facial powder. That is the way I do my makeup, so that will reduce flashback. Use this mascara by Sleek. Just one coat because I'm going to apply lashes. This. So we need to bronze. I'm going to use the Tammi S Revolution. I'm going to use this and this as a blush, the blusher right here.
Someone new, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Oh my god, this is cute. This is looking cute. Yeah. Affordable makeup. So I'm going to spray my face using the Sleek Life Proof Mattifying Missing Spray. Have any harsh smell? It smells like nothing. For lip liner, the affordable one my hand can go to right now is this one from Tammi S Revolution.
Do me in the worst way.
It's a beautiful brown color. The last product I'm going to be using from Shein Sheglam, I'm going to use this lip set. Is the Star Velvet Lip.
No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
This is a matte lipstick. It's already feeling matte on my lip. I'll just take this highlighter from the Tammi S Revolution palette. Then I'm going to spray the face.
Wanna talk back to you. Say it.
Guys, this is the finished look of the makeup tutorial using affordable product. I'm sorry if this editing of this tutorial was a bit messy. My camera was having a bad day. Okay, so guys, let me know what you think about this makeup tutorial. If you like this affordable makeup tutorial, you want me to do more affordable look, and you want me to compare high-end with affordable makeup, I think going back to the basic of trying affordable makeup and telling you guys how it wears and how it used. This is me. I like about an hour or so of wearing this makeup because I had to let the camera rest and come back to do this outro. So this is how the makeup look like. The lip is pretty matte. You can see there's no transfer. Yeah, nice, and it's not drying out my lip, which is really nice. I must say that. The eye look nice, good for the money. Yeah, I'll leave all the details about the product at the description bar, and you can get 15% off using my code from Shein Sheglam product. I will leave that at the description bar or on the video if you're interested. So yeah, anything I forgot to mention or talk about particular product I use, let me know at the comment section. I will sure answer the question for you. I shall give you the answer. So guys, I have to go now. Yeah, baby calling. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Remember what I always say: be yourself, be true to yourself, love yourself, do you always, and remain blessed. Bye guys. Bye.